Welcome to our updated guide on how to view accounts you follow on Instagram. Let's walk through the steps to easily see the profiles you are following. To begin, open the Instagram app on your Android device to access your profile and following information. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Instagram profile page where you can manage your account settings. Once on your profile page, find and tap on Following to view the list of accounts you are currently following on Instagram. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of the accounts you have chosen to follow, giving you an overview of the profiles and content you engage with on Instagram. By following these simple steps, you can easily track and manage the accounts you follow on Instagram, helping you stay connected with your favorite creators, friends, and brands. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies to enhance your Instagram experience and make the most out of your interactions on the platform.